Alright, today is eBay downpipe day. Show a little video of like the cold start, and then I'll put it on and then show a video of start after downpipe, and then maybe if I remember, talk about everything I've done to the car since, which is quite a bit since my last Mazda video. All right. It's a little bit cold out and it was wet, so that's why it's smoking a little bit. But this is C&T catback exhaust that I put on probably like 3 months ago. It's slightly louder than stock if you really pay attention, but you don't really notice the difference. Alright, I got it installed. Took me pretty much all day, but here it is. Here's the difference in sound. I'm not too worried about the smoke still. It's still pretty damp and it's been sitting all day while I worked on it. It's definitely a lot deeper and way louder on cold starts. There she is. The bolt all the way to the right. I can't really show you or else I'll drop my camera. It is a pain in the butt. It took me longer than it should because I didn't have all the tools I needed, and some of these bolts were pretty difficult to reach, but really if I can do it, you know, anybody can do it. Just follow instructions, take your time, and yeah, it's gonna suck, but I think it'll be worth it.